Jai Hind, I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to complete the answer of the exercise Introduction to Excel 2016. This video is for class 8 computer science student and here we'll cover entire question of the particular unit. So the first type of question is that is MCQ type question. So in the first MCQ type question is which of this spreadsheet program is a spreadsheet program among the option that is the both C is a correct option in the given option. The next question is the default number of worksheet in our workbooks there are 3. So 3 is a correct answer. Now the next question is the number of column in an Excel spreadsheet are the number of columns are that is 16,384. So the C is a correct option. Now the next question is which type of data is aligned to left side in a cell? The options are correct option is text. Now the next question is which key is used to move the first cell of the row? That is the question among the given option, that is the CTRL plus home key. Now the C is the correct option. Now the next question is which is formula in Excel begins with dash sign? The correct option is that is C, equal to sign. We use equal to sign to write the formula in Excel. The next next type question is true false type questions are here. Here we have to say whether the statement is true or false. The first statement is Microsoft Excel is used to work with the text documents. No, this is false. The next question is statement data can be entered only in an active cell. Yes, this is true. Now the next statement is the address of the selected cell is displayed in the name box. Yes, this is true. The next statement is file in Excel is stored with .xls extension. Yes, this is true. The next is xfdx is the last column in a worksheet. Yes, this is true. The next is we can use any type of data for calculation. No, this is false. The next is fill in the blanks. Here statements are given here and we have to give the proper words in the blank. I have written the answer and I have given the written in red option. The first is book 1 is the default name of Excel workbook. The next is there are total this number of rows in a worksheet. The next is the formula is made up of operators and cell reference. The next is CTRL plus home is keyboard shortcut to use to move to the first cell of the Excel worksheet. Now the next is sheet tab is used to navigate from one sheet to another in a workbook. The next is the cells are formed by interaction of rows and columns, that is cells. The next type of question is answer the question. The questions are given here and we have to give the proper answer for this question. The first question is what is Microsoft Excel? Write any 2 benefits of Excel. The answer is the Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software used to store and calculate the data in a table. The two benefits is the first is it helps in doing quick calculation and the second is we can make chart and graph easily. The next question is what is the difference between workbook and worksheet? The answer is a workbook is a file that contains many worksheets, whereas a worksheet is a single page in a workbook where we can enter and work with the data. The next third question is what are cells and how are these referred in the Excel worksheet? The answer is a cell is a box where a row and column meets. The next point is Excel cell is named by column letters and row numbers, example A1 and B5 like this. The next question is what are 3 types of data value used in making the Excel worksheet? The answer is text. It is used for letter or words. Next is number, any digit, formula used for calculation. So the next question is describe briefly the way we create formula in Excel worksheet. The answer is to create a formula in Excel, we start with the equal to sign, then type the calculation. For example, equal to A1 plus B1 adds the value of A1 of the cell A1 and B1. With this end, if you have any confusion, if you want the detailed video of any particular topic or chapter, you can comment here. I would make the complete video for a long video. With this end, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.